Imagine a world where ultra-fast internet connects even the most remote regions, where businesses, schools, and communities thrive without digital barriers. Well, Meta is making that vision a reality with Project Waterworth, the world's longest undersea cable system set to revolutionize global connectivity. Spanning over 50,000 kilometers, Project Waterworth will be the longest subsea cable system ever built, longer than the circumference of the Earth. This massive cable network will link North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia, creating an unparalleled global data highway. To put this in perspective, the previous longest cable, to Africa, which Meta is also involved in, measures around 45,000 kilometers. But Project Waterworth will push the boundaries even further. But why does this matter? In today's world, reliable and high-speed internet isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. This project aims to bridge the digital divide, bringing better internet access to underserved regions and boosting the global economy. In India, for example, the government is pushing for a $1 trillion digital economy. Faster and more stable internet will empower businesses, drive innovation, and create new opportunities for millions of people. From AI development to remote work and cloud computing, the demand for high-speed internet is skyrocketing. Project Waterworth will be the backbone that supports this future. So how does it work? This undersea cable will feature 24 fiber pairs, making it one of the most advanced and high-capacity systems ever deployed. This means more data can travel faster, reducing latency and improving global internet performance. The cable will also use cutting-edge technology to ensure resilience against disruptions, from extreme ocean depths to external threats like ship anchors and natural disasters. At depths of up to 7,000 meters, these cables require specialized ships and undersea robots to install and maintain them. It's an engineering marvel that will stand the test of time. But this isn't just about technology, it's about people. With enhanced internet access, millions will gain better educational resources, healthcare services, and business opportunities. Countries with limited infrastructure will finally have the bandwidth to support modern digital services. Whether it's a student in Africa learning to code, an entrepreneur in Brazil expanding their business, or a doctor in India consulting with specialists across the globe, this project will change lives. With Meta leading the charge, Project Waterworth marks a new era of global connectivity, and this is just the beginning. As AI, virtual reality, and the metaverse evolve, fast and reliable internet will be the key to unlocking their full potential. Meta isn't just building a cable, they're shaping the digital infrastructure of tomorrow. So, what do you think about Meta's ambitious undersea cable project? Will this be the game changer that finally brings high-speed internet to the entire world? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.